Did you know that nearly 70% of chronic diseases can be prevented through proper nutrition? Imagine the impact of choosing the right foods daily. In today's video, we'll uncover simple yet powerful dietary tips to help you maintain a healthy body and prevent diseases. Hi everyone, I'm Farhad, a certified nutritionist and fitness coach with over a decade of experience in promoting health and wellness. I've helped countless individuals transform their diets and improve their health. I'm here to share my knowledge and personal insights to empower you to make healthier choices. In this video, we'll discuss the essential components of a healthy diet, practical tips for meal planning, and easy recipes you can try at home. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to make informed dietary choices that support your health and well-being. Let's dive deeper into the problem. Many people struggle with maintaining a healthy diet due to factors like busy lifestyles, misinformation about nutrition, and the convenience of processed foods. For instance, a study found that nearly 60% of Americans do not consume the recommended daily servings of fruits and vegetables. Poor dietary choices can lead to various health issues, such as obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and weakened immune systems. It's crucial to recognize how these choices affect not just your physical health but also your mental well-being. Have you ever noticed how your energy levels fluctuate based on what you eat? Let me share a story about Mark, a client who was constantly fatigued and struggling with weight gain. After analyzing his diet, we discovered he relied heavily on fast food and sugary snacks. By introducing whole foods and proper meal planning, Mark lost 20 pounds in just 3 months and reported feeling more energetic and focused. So, what's the solution? To keep your body healthy, we'll focus on 5 key dietary components: whole foods, balanced macronutrients, hydration, mindful eating, and meal planning. Let's break them down. Incorporate whole foods. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods in your diet. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Aim for a colorful plate. Each color represents different nutrients that your body needs. Balance macronutrients. Ensure you're getting a balanced intake of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. A simple rule of thumb is to fill half your plate with vegetables and fruits, a quarter with lean proteins, and a quarter with whole grains. Stay hydrated. Hydration is vital for overall health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. If you're active or live in a hot climate, increase this amount. Consider herbal teas or infused water for variety. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating means being present during meals, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's hunger cues. Try to eat without distractions, such as your phone or TV, to fully enjoy your food. Meal planning. Plan your meals ahead of time to make healthier choices easier. Dedicate a day each week to prepare meals, creating a balanced menu that includes snacks. This not only saves time but also reduces the temptation of fast food. Now, let's delve into the science behind these dietary strategies. Research shows that diets rich in whole foods and low in processed foods significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases. For example, the Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, has been linked to improved heart health and longevity. Nutrition experts like Dr. Michael Greger advocate for a plant-based diet to maximize health benefits. He emphasizes that the nutrients found in whole foods can reduce inflammation and enhance the body's natural defenses. Throughout this video, I'll share charts and graphics that illustrate the recommended daily servings of each food group, as well as the benefits of specific nutrients. For instance, we'll look at how antioxidants in fruits and vegetables combat oxidative stress. Let's take a moment to prepare a quick, healthy recipe together. I'll show you how to make a simple quinoa salad loaded with vegetables and a lemon tahini dressing. It's nutritious, easy to make, and perfect for meal prep. As we progress, I'll include on-screen tips and reminders to reinforce key concepts. You'll see pop-ups that highlight important nutrients and their sources. One common pitfall is thinking that healthy eating is boring or time-consuming. In reality, it can be delicious and simple with the right strategies. Meal prepping can help alleviate the stress of cooking every day. Another mistake is underestimating portion sizes. Use measuring cups or a food scale to ensure you're consuming appropriate amounts, especially of higher calorie foods like nuts and oils. Stay motivated by tracking your food intake and health progress. Apps like MyFitnessPal can help you monitor your meals and ensure you're meeting your nutritional goals. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Start with one healthy meal per day and gradually increase as you become more comfortable with your choices. Looking for reliable solutions that make your daily life easier? Our fitness equipment products are designed to tackle common challenges effortlessly. Check the link in the description to find the right fit for your needs. I want to hear from you. What challenges do you face when trying to eat healthy? Share your experiences in the comments below, and I'll respond with additional tips and support. If you're finding this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who might benefit. Don't forget to check out my playlist for more health and nutrition videos. Thank you for joining me today. Your journey toward increased productivity starts now.